In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix not getting notifications on Discord mobile. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, this works exactly the same whether you're on iPhone, Android, or Samsung, but the first thing you want to do is open up your Discord app and then go to your settings. So I'm going to go to my profile. On the top right, I'm going to see my settings icon. Before I do that though, I'm going to quickly click on my profile picture right there, and I want to go from do not disturb to online. The reason I say this is because if you're on do not disturb, your notifications are all going to be silenced. You're not going to get any noises or any notifications about any of like the messages or calls that you received because you're going to be on do not disturb. So you want to make sure you're online. Next thing you want to do is go to your settings. Now you're going to see a lot of different things over here, but you just want to scroll down, and then eventually under web browser, you're going to see notifications. You want to make sure that get notifications within Discord is enabled. Now it says get notifications out of Discord. For that, you're going to have to go to your system settings. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. It's automatically going to take me to the place, and then I can just go to the notification section under search. You just want to make sure allow notifications is turned on. If you want sounds, you can have them. Badges, same thing. And then you can select if you want them on lock screen, notification center, or banner, but I just like having it on all of them. And then lock screen appearance, you can, see however you want it, and then you'll be good to go. But if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also let us know in the comments what more tutorials you want from this channel in the future.